Hello, this is a brief tutorial on how to install Audacity, the sound editing program on the Mac, the open source free software for editing and playing sounds. It's pretty quick and easy. Hopefully this will save you some time so you don't have to figure it out from scratch. So I'll do it from scratch for myself. I removed it. Oh no, I still have it here. Okay, I'm going to take it out of the dock so I can show you how the whole deal works. Let's remove this from the dock and I'll just reinstall it. So go to your browser of choice. I'll use Safari since a lot of people use that, and surf to the Audacity website. I'll just do a Google search and through the search box, Audacity, if I can spell it okay, Audacity download, there we go, it autofill download. So here we go, came right up at the top. You can find the download link, click on the download link. At the Audacity site you've got options for different operating systems, and we're on a Mac, so we click on that. Now notice it gives you, it says what versions it's for. If you want to check your system version, just go to the Apple menu, select About This Mac. It'll bring up this little window, tells you your version, so you can see we're on 10.13 here. So this is for 10.7 to 10.14, we're okay. So click on that link and that brings you to the download page, and they've got a lot of information here, but in summary, all you have to do is get the DMG file here. Click on that and it takes you to the site where the download is actually done, third-party site. And again, you want this DMG file, so click on that. It should start downloading to your downloads folder, and there it's done. So what I do, I'm not using a mouse right now, so I use the control key and then just open this folder. If you're using a mouse, you right click, you can open that, or navigate it to it through the Finder, but in any case you need to double click on this DMG file. Some people's Macs, they're set to automatically open these, but on mine I set it so you do it manually. I didn't want it just automatically opening disk image files. So here we go, it's decompressed, and you can see it actually shows up as a little virtual hard drive, along with the regular hard drive, and shows the program ready to put in your applications folder. And this is pretty standard for installing software on a Mac. They give you an alias for the applications folder. So the easy way to do it is just drag it right to that alias, and it'll start copying it. See, I've already got it installed, so it asks me if I want to replace it. Yes, so it's copying it over to the applications folder. So then of course you want to navigate one way or another over to your application folder. So do not double click on it here. You don't want to run it from this window because this is just a virtual. See, if I unmount this virtual drive, which was just created, this all goes away. So you want to run it from your application folder. So let's say you don't have this in your little sidebar here for going directly to the application folder. Then you want to get to your hard drive and find your application folder, and find Audacity there in the A's. Double click. First time you run it, it's going to do a security check to make sure that you're actually supposed to install this potentially foreign thing that you downloaded from the internet, and we do. So we just say open, and it'll open open a new window for Audacity, a new file window. It may pop up a little window the first time, something like this, and then you just click OK to get it out of the way. Anyway, so now it's down in the dock. I like to keep programs in the dock that I use frequently. You can do that by holding down the Control key and select Options, Keep in Dock, or right-click brings you up the same menu, Keep in Dock. And there we go. So the next time we want to run it, it's there. And that's it. The next tutorial, I'll transcribing an audio file. All right.